1. Respect yourself first. Respecting yourself is the foundational step to earning respect from others. Think about people you admire, family, friends, or public figures. The common thread is often their self-respect and confidence. When you respect yourself, it's evident in your demeanor and choices. Others can perceive it in the way you carry yourself. 2. Don't be nice all the time. Contrary to popular belief, being nice all the time doesn't guarantee respect. Constantly pleasing others without standing up for yourself can project weakness. People appreciate authenticity and assertiveness. It's about finding the balance between kindness and standing your ground. Being assertive when necessary is crucial for respect. It means not going out of your way to prioritize others' needs over your own. Assertiveness communicates strength and certainty. It's not about being rude, but about valuing yourself enough to express your opinions and set boundaries. If you found the video helpful so far, please consider liking the video. 3. Set clear boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is an essential aspect of earning respect. Clearly defining what you will and will not tolerate from others establishes a framework for respectful interactions. It's about communicating your limits and expectations. Personal boundaries extend beyond professional settings. Saying no when needed is crucial for self-respect. You don't have to agree to every request or invitation. Setting boundaries showcases your self-respect, signaling that you won't be easily taken advantage of. 4. Speak up when you disagree. Silence in the face of disagreement can be perceived as agreement. Voicing your opinions, even if they differ, is vital for earning respect. Holding back only leads to assumptions that you either agree or have no opinions of your own. Speaking up, even if it leads to a heated discussion, shows courage. People may not always agree with you, but they'll respect your willingness to express your thoughts. It's a way of asserting your individuality and fostering a culture of mutual respect. 5. Don't over-apologize. Apologizing is important, but overdoing it can diminish your perceived strength. Distinguishing between sincere and insincere apologies is crucial. A genuine apology acknowledges mistakes, while an insincere one seeks to save face. Apologize when necessary, but ensure it reflects genuine remorse. Over-apologizing can make you appear weak and insecure. Think twice before saying sorry, ensuring it adds value to the situation and doesn't diminish your standing. 6. Display confident body language. Body language speaks volumes. Projecting confidence through posture, eye contact, and clear speech is essential for earning respect. Standing tall, making eye contact, and avoiding nervous gestures are components of confident body language. Nonverbal cues matter. Constant fidgeting or insecurity in posture can convey nervousness. Exuding confidence in every interaction, both verbal and nonverbal, significantly influences how others perceive and respect you. Congratulations, you made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. 7. Act respectfully. Respect begets respect. Treating others with courtesy and politeness sets the foundation for mutual respect. Courtesy, even when undeserved, showcases your character. Listening actively, avoiding judgment, and refraining from condescension build a culture of respect. It's about embodying the golden rule, treating others the way you want to be treated. Acting respectfully creates an environment where respect becomes reciprocal. 8. Keep your promises. Reliability is a cornerstone of respect. Keeping promises, whether in professional or personal spheres, establishes you as a person of your word. Consistency in following through on commitments enhances your reputation and fosters trust. People respect those who are dependable. If you say you'll do something, ensure you follow through. This reliability contributes significantly to how others perceive and respect you. 9. Add real value. Earning respect involves contributing positively to others' lives. Being a constructive force rather than a detractor enhances your standing. Actively seeking ways to make situations better and supporting others demonstrates a commitment to adding value. It's not about people pleasing, but about genuine helpfulness. By consistently being someone who improves circumstances, you become someone others naturally respect. 10. Be open-minded. Open-mindedness is a hallmark of a respected individual. Embracing new ideas and perspectives, even when they differ from your own, demonstrates intellectual flexibility. Being objective, adaptable, and willing to see various sides of an issue fosters an environment of respect. It's about transcending rigidity and showing a willingness to consider alternative viewpoints. Open-minded individuals are often perceived as thoughtful and deserving of respect. 11. Control your emotions. Emotional control is a crucial quality for earning respect. Reacting impulsively or defensively can undermine how others perceive you. Keeping a cool head under pressure, avoiding overreactions, and staying level-headed in difficult situations contribute to a reputation of emotional intelligence. Respected individuals are often those who demonstrate composure in challenging circumstances. Learning to manage emotions effectively enhances your ability to command respect. 12. Listen more than you speak. Listening is a powerful tool for garnering respect. Giving others your full attention without interrupting demonstrates a genuine interest in their perspectives. In leadership studies, the ability to listen is often ranked as the most important quality. By actively listening, you not only gain valuable insights but also convey respect for others' opinions. It's a simple yet effective way to build a culture of mutual respect. There you have it. How to instantly make anyone respect you. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and loved ones. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.